want to be on the movie. That doesn't mean to go sit on the television. It means to come over here so I can take your picture. What do you think, birthday boy?
Well, I have fun. Stop fun.
Yes, but you know, you're going to knock the TV over and break it, and then we can't watch movies anymore. Don't you think you should get down?
And hit myself.
Yes, I think you would on the light bulb and burn yourself. I think you should get down very, very, very carefully. Sure. Jumpy Wumpy. Okay, say hi to the camera. Show us your outfit. Now, where'd you get your boots?
Here, I got
Closet.
them.
And who gave you that lovely hat?
Myself.
Oh. Courtney, where'd you get your little bracelets? In the bureau?
Over myself.
Very nice. And you're wearing Minnie?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
And I put her.
So what are you going to guys do? Get married or something?
I think.
Oh.
I did. That's how you got a kid. Yeah, you gave him your
Yeah.
Go away.
Josh, did you just have gas?
Yes, you did. Yeah.
You love the kitty, Josh?
Yeah.
Is he your favorite? Does he sleep with you every night?